Let me be honest. If you speak Spanish, you probably just don't. Because Dominican Spanish, that's not Spanish. That's Spanish on hard mode. Final boss level. And yes, I'm Dominican. So if you're confused, welcome to our daily life. I'm about to say a sentence, and if you understand it, you're elite. Hey, manín, yo estoy rulay. Pero ese tigre se cree gente. Y tengo una vaina rara. What language was that? Exactly. Dominican Spanish. I'm not here to teach boring textbook Spanish. I'm here to teach you the Spanish that will leave you confused, shocked, and addicted. 1. Créese gente. Little to believe you are people. Meaning, acting superior, thinking you're better than others. Example. Ese tigre se cree gente desde que compró un iPhone. That guy thinks he's all that since he bought an iPhone. Quesiyoque. Little what I know what. Meaning, whatever. Something like, I don't know. Example. Fuimos a la casa de. Comimos quesiyoque. We went to his house, ate, whatever. Tirar la piedra y esconder la mano. Little, to throw the stone and hide the hand. Meaning, to start drama and then act innocent. Example. Ella empezó el chisme y ahora se hace la loca. Tiró la piedra y escondió la mano. She started the gossip and now acts innocent. Está fuerte. Little, it's strong. Meaning, that's crazy. Wild, intense. Example. 2,000 pesos por eso. No, eso está fuerte. 2,000 pesos for that. Nah, that's crazy. Intro. Little achao. Meaning a lot. Example. Ese video tiene un trono de views. That video has a lot of views. Tigre. Little tiger. Meaning a street smart person, something shady, sometimes cool. Example. Ese tigre sabe moverse en la calle. That guy knows how to move in the streets. Rulay. Meaning chill, good, fine, okay. Example. ¿Cómo tú estás? Rulay, chilling. 8. Bang. Literal thing. Meaning literally anything. Example. Pásame esa vaina. Pass me that thing. Heavy. Meaning cool, awesome. Example. Ese core tuvo heavy and hung out was cool. Wow. Little boost. Meaning bass, but don't confuse it with baby like in other countries. Example, me fui en guagua. In Dominican Spanish, we don't speak fast. We delete letters. Estoy cansada. We say estoy cansada. Not para atrás. We say para atrás. Not ¿qué es lo que tú estás haciendo? We say ¿qué tú haces? If you understand that, congratulations. You've unlocked Dominican level. So, yeah, Dominican Spanish is not Spanish. It's Spanish Final Boss Edition. If you understood at least 3 words, you're officially honorary Dominican. Like, comment, and tell me what country's Spanish confuse you next.